I'm sure you all are waiting. We do come for this event for it, when you get to know it is 4 days event. You come here, you want to get excited, you want to listen to everyone. But there are few people, 80% of our entire intent is only to listen to those few. Like you can count them. Yes or no? You come to listen to them. Yes or no? There are people whom you've never seen and you've only watched them on YouTube. Okay? And you are dying to listen to them live. Yes or no? So if you are excited and you have been waiting, the time has come, guys. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for this? So the person I'm going to call upon now, I think the moment, I'm sure everybody's looking at that area, and so you will not let me talk once you see there. Okay, but let me talk. What you see of this person today, trust me, most of them look at the external change. You can only look at pictures. You can look at pictures a few years back and today and say, what? What is this? Is this how he used to be? I mean, unbelievable. Unbelievable. But let me tell you, I'm so lucky. I don't know, I've always kept saying that I've always been the chosen one, blessed one. And God blessed me to have him approach me for this business. So he referred me in this business. He coached me in this business. He built me in this business. And whatever I am today, standing here, the entire chiseling he's done to me. So whatever little that I have followed, when I say follow, I try. Whatever little I followed, this is where I have reached. So imagine you follow whatever he says. It can transform your life completely. If I have to think of a word, one word, when I think of him, the only word I can think of is excellence. Excellence. Anything he touches, he only touches to excel. He touches only to excel. And there are so many things I can talk about that he has just touched. I have seen him starting on few things, and I see a transformation, completely excelled in whatever he has touched. And when he comes here and he's going to share, trust me, he only speaks from heart. He only speaks from heart. If you put a camera in front of him, like everybody thinks there's a lot of preparation required to get started off. You put a camera, he starts off, he speaks from his heart. And the reason why he speaks from his heart is because of the way he has worked on this business. Work ethic, I don't know. I haven't seen anybody in my life beating his work ethic record. I'm not going to waste too much time because it'll become my sharing now. Very beautiful soul. And a big seeker. He seeks to learn. He is a student. For a lot of them, you look at him as a person who teaches, who shares. But I have seen him more than telling others, he's always been a student. I've seen him seek to learn, seek to grow, seek to evolve. And every month I've seen him growing. Every month I see him changing. And it just doesn't. लोग बोलते हैं कि दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. For him, anybody and everybody is लोग. दुनिया ने बहुत कुछ बोला, including me. हमने बहुत बार मैंने सोचा मजाक कर रहे हैं, but he never bothered. Things that he's done is incredible. And he's been an inspiration always till date. Even today, every moment I see him, I'm so inspired. And sometimes ashamed to go and tell him, listen, I'm screwing up and I want to do it. But he doesn't care because, like I told you, he's just a seeker. He works on himself, whether you work, whether I work or not. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready to call upon the next speaker? I want you to get the roof down, to get him on stage. From all that he has, if you want him to squeeze out the best that he has, then I want you to call him the best way that you can call anybody on the stage. So if we can have the video.
You're unbelievable. But tell me more than mine. I'm always so concerned with the way you say you always have to stop to think first. Being one is more than I ever know. But this time I realize I'm gonna shoot through and leave you. The things you say, your purpose just give you away. The things you say, you're unbelievable.
Okay. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Please take your seat, brothers and sisters.